Good morning, students. Have you all finished writing book exercise and classwork in note for all subjects? In EVS, we have finished 4 lessons. Go through your lessons and study well. After the school reopens, we will conduct test. Okay? Today, we are going to study a new lesson in EVS. See the pictures of a dancing girl, person doing yoga, a cricketer, a person swimming, and a boy catching a ball. How do we do these actions? What help our body to move? That we are going to study in this lesson, bones and muscles. You know that we have different parts in our body and each part perform different functions. Now touch your left hand with the right hand. How do you feel? You can feel soft. If you touch your elbow or knee, you can feel harder. What is that? Yes, the soft part is muscles and the harder part is bones. What is the use of bones and muscles in our body? We can bend our body on different ways. Tell me how this is possible. Because of bones and muscles, we are able to move. Some animals don't have bones. Examples: earthworm, crabs, scorpion. How do they move? They crawl on the ground. Think of children. If we don't have bones, how we look like a pillow. We can't walk or sit erect. Just we can roll. Also, if we don't have muscles in our body, how do we look? எலும்பு கூடு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையாம்மா? So, bones and muscles join together to give shape and form. Bones and muscles are covered by skin. Look at the picture. This person is having less muscle and look like a skeleton. And this man has more muscles and look different. Each person differs from other. This is because of bones and muscles they have. Do we have a single bone in our body? No. There are many small and long bones in our body. About 206 bones are there. All the bones are joined to each other. The place where two or more bones join together is called a joint. Due to these joints, we are able to bend, twist, or kick. Examples of some joints are hip joint, wrist joint. All these bones form a framework called skeleton. This skeleton gives shape and support to the body. The bones of a newborn baby are soft. As the baby grows, the bones become longer and stronger. So, the child becomes taller and heavier. Next is about muscles. Muscles are the soft part of our body. They are attached to the bones and help to move the bones. So, muscles are found in all parts of the body. Do all muscles are in same size? No, they differs. Some muscles are big and some are small. Where do we have big muscles? The muscles in our legs and arms are big. And where do we have small muscles? The muscles that help to move our eyelids are small. Guess and tell me how many muscles are there in our body? More than 600 muscles we have in our body. Not only bones and muscles, we have some other parts in our body. Tell me some parts you know. Stomach, lungs, brain. Very good. They are called internal organs. What are the uses of these organs? Stomach helps in digesting food. Lungs help us to breathe. Brain help us to think. So, these organs are very important because they are doing activities necessary for us to live. They are hard workers. If any one organ stop working, what will happen? The person will die. So, these organs work without rest. So, they must be in safe place, isn't it? The bones and muscles cover these organs and protect them. Brain is protected by the bone called skull. Lungs and heart are protected by the bones called ribs. Thus, muscles and bones help us to walk, push, pull, lift things, and so on. That's all for today. Children, what we studied now about bones and muscles. Now, I am going to ask you few questions. You have to say the answer. First question is, the soft parts inside our bodies are called dash. There are dash bones in the human body. Third question, bones and muscles are covered with the dash. Fourth question, the place where two or more bones meet is called dash. Fifth question, all the bones join together and form the dash. I have given answers here. Choose it and write. Now we are going to study some terminology words. Repeat with me. B-O-N-E-S, bones. M-U-S-C-L-E-S, muscles. J-O-I-N-T-S, joints. S-K-I-N, skin. S-K-E-L-E-T-O-N, skeleton. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. H-E-A-R-T, heart. L-U-N-G-S, lungs. B-R-A-I-N, brain. S-K-U-L-L, skull. Study these words thoroughly and write one time in your rough note. Okay, children. Next, I have given some words. You try to match that. Okay? See the words: muscles, skull, hard part, stomach, ribs. And in the right side, brain, 600, digest food, heart, bones. Match correctly. Now tell me the answer. Muscles. What is the answer for that? 600 is the correct answer. Next, for skull, what is the answer? Brain is the answer. Next, hard part. Where to match that? With bones. Next, for stomach, digest food. For ribs, heart. Next is true or false. First one is the skeleton give support to our body. Is it true or false? It's true. Next, the muscles in our eyes are big. What is the answer for this? False. The muscles in our eyes are small. Next, bones and muscles help us to walk, run and play. Whether it is true or not? Yes, it is true. Brain help us to think. What is the answer? True. Fifth one, the skeleton protects the inner organs. Is it true? Yes, this is true. Next exercises, find out the odd one. Wrist, ribs, stomach, hip. Which one is the odd one? Stomach is the odd one. Why? Because stomach is an internal part. Remaining three are joints. Next, heart, muscles, brain, lungs. Which one is the odd one? Muscles is the odd one because the other three are internal parts. Think, breathe, digest food, run. What is the odd one here? Run is the odd one because run is done externally, but thinking, breathing and digesting food is done internally. Children, in your book about bones and muscles, they have given simply in page number 40. Read that. But I have explained you more. You can watch this video again and again and know more about our bones and muscles. Now we are going to see some amazing facts about our body. Joints in skull are fixed. They don't allow any movement. Second one is about 17 muscles on our face work together when you smile. Another one about muscle is one of the strongest muscle in your body is the tongue. And it has no bone attached to it. You know that only human beings and the monkey family have a thumb. This thumb can move opposite to the rest of the fingers. Also, it helps to pick up objects, write and play games. We studied that smallest muscles are in our eyelids. Same way, smallest bone is in our ears. Next is a newborn baby has 300 bones, but a grown-up adult has only 206 bones. Do you know what is the size of your heart? The size of the heart is the size of your closed fist. These are some of the amazing facts about our body. In the next class, we will see the remaining portion of the lesson, and also I will tell you some other amazing facts about our body. Okay, children, now it's time to leave. Say bye to ma'am. Bye.